Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at another interesting video tutorial on Adobe Photoshop, and without further delay, let's get started. But if you are new to my channel, kindly like and subscribe for more updates on new videos. So let's start with our document preparation. Let's go to new, and we have so many document settings over here. I'm going for inches, and the width 4 inches, and the height to 4 inches, and the resolution I will take it to 300 pixels, and I'll leave the rest to default settings and create new document. So right now we have 4 by 4 inches over here, and the design is very simple. So let's start by selecting our rectangle tool. So hold down the rectangle tool and drag it on your layer. Okay, so I think this is cool, but before that, let us set our background to light gray color. I think this is okay. So now we can take it to the background, and let's change this mauve color to white. Yes, I think this is okay. Now we want to modify this rectangle. So you see, when I select, there are some angle points over here. When I deselect, they are gone. When I select, they come. So right now, when I drag one side of this angle point, all of them are going to move. But we don't want that situation, but we want to select one angle point at a point. So what we are going to do is we double click on one side of the angle point and drag it like this. Very simple to do. All right, so we go to one side to this side, so you double click and drag one side like this. Now this is what I want. Okay, so now I want to add a shadow to this item selected. So what we are going to do is you right click on this place and go to blending options, or you double click and still you'll be there. Under the blending option, we go to drop shadow. We are going to set this shadow, and I think I want a very light gray color, light shadow, realistic one. Okay, so let me modify it small. Okay, it is looking nice. I think this is okay. So now let's go to the ellipse tool, select the ellipse tool and come and drag. So you drag and hold down the shift to get a perfect circle. So I think this is okay. So to center this item, you select the ellipse and select the item beneath it and go to the alignment and click alignment, and it will be centered in the middle. Okay, so let's duplicate this one. Let's drag it by holding down shift and alt to get a perfect circle. Shift and alt, and let's set the fill to 0 and right click and go to blending option, and let's set the stroke. I think this is okay, but I don't want the mauve color. I want a gray color that way. All right, so it is cool right now. So with this image, we are going to do cropping max. So we want to insert another image into it, and I have a beautiful image downloaded from Pexels. So let's go for that image onto my Photoshop, and you see the image is over here. So what we are going to do is you hold down alt. This is the ellipse. See, the ellipse is beneath the image. So you select the image and hold down alt, and as you hover over this place, you can see that there is a rectangle showing that it's like you want to put it inside the ellipse. So you hold down the alt and click on it, and you can see that it has been inserted into the image. That is cool. So you can now, but take note, before you adjust the image, you have to convert the image to smart object so that you will not lose the quality of the image. think this is okay for now. We can change it later if it doesn't match what we want. It is a birthday that we want to wish her, so let's write a birthday message. The choice of font is very essential in graphic designing. The font that you use also add up to the beauty of your design. So for the design, I'm going for Bebas. All right, I think this is okay. So the choice of color selection is also essential, because you cannot just choose any color for a design. Sometimes you have to look whether the color, there should be a color blending in the design. All right, so let's draw some ellipse over here. Hold on Shift, and this ellipse is going to tell the month of which the person is on. I think this is okay, and let's see. Let me look. So we are going to add a birthday message over here. So designing is about ideas, bringing ideas together. So as you are doing it, you have to check whether this thing is nice, because you cannot send anything to your client just like that. So here I'm going to add, let's say she is born on April 15th or 1st February. So let's say 1st February, or let's say 27th. Getting there. Right, so here will be the message that will be taken to Dr. Ellen White, and if possible, you want to add something, your brand name and others, you can add it beneath here. Thank you for watching.